Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice and interesting functional equations in form of quotient. We have x squared over x minus 4 equals 1 divided by x. So without thinking too much, pause this video and give it a try. But seeing this kind of problem, we have to note some things before solving it. First is, looking at this domain, we are going to apply the substitution method and consider the fact that we have x squared here, showing that this is not a one-to-one unreal. So therefore, we are getting two answers. And also, we consider the domain of this. So with this x minus 4, one of the things we have to avoid is the x is never equals to 4. And again, x can never be equals 0 because of the x that we have here. And after understanding these two, we are going to solve it step by step. Let's consider the solution. By substituting for x squared over x minus 1, we have x squared divided by x minus 4 equals t. The goal is we want to make x the subject of the formula. And what to do is, if I divide this one by 1, then I cross multiply. On cross multiplying, we have x squared equals t into bracket of x minus 4. And then we have to open this parenthesis as x squared equals t multiplied by x gives us tx minus t multiplied by 4 gives us 4t. So then let's collect the whole of this to this side. We have x squared minus tx plus 4t equals 0. This forms a quadratic equation. It is x that we are going to take as the variable here, and t here remains a constant number here. At this side, it remains a coefficient. All right. So by proceeding, we are going to apply the quadratic formula. Note that from here, a equals to 1 and b equals minus t, then c equals 4t. So, and the formula is x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So by substituting all these parameters in this formula, we have x equals minus bracket minus t plus or minus, we have square root of minus t squared minus 4 into bracket of a is 1 and c is 4t. So all divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So we have this, then x equals t plus or minus the square root of t squared minus 4 multiplied by t gives us 16, then multiply by t. And from here, we divide both sides by 2. So if this is for x, then we need 1 over x as the other side that we have. We have made x the subject of the formula. Then what about 1 divided by x? It means we are going to divide the whole of this by x. So if you have 1 divided by a over b, so this equals b divided by a. So if we let this one to be over 1 over all of this, so 2 will come up and we have 2 divided by t plus or minus the square root of t squared minus 16t. So we cannot leave the answer here. We have to try and rationalize this. So we rationalize based on this, but when we are rationalizing, this plus and minus will also change. The plus will come up and the negative will come up and the plus will come down. So then we have 1 divided by x equals 2 divided by t plus or minus the square root of t squared minus 16t, then multiply by t minus plus the square root of t squared minus 16t divided by t minus plus square root of t squared minus 16t. So if this is what we have, so we are going to multiply this numerator and denominator together. So we have 2 brackets, the whole of all this, that is t minus plus square root of t squared minus 16t, then divided by, looking at this side, we have this as t and t. When it multiplies, we have t squared, and here is t plus multiplied by plus, that is minus, and minus multiplied by plus, that gives us minus. Okay, and then we have the root and the root here, so both of them have the same content inside. So since they have the same root, we are going to cancel the root and take one of these. So here gives us t squared minus 16t. So after this, we have 2 brackets t minus plus square root of t squared minus 16t, all divided by, let's open this bracket, we have t squared minus t squared plus 16t. So t squared cancelled t squared. So this side we have 2 brackets t minus plus square root of t squared minus 16t, all divided by 16t. So 2 cancelled 2 from here, and this remains 8. So if this is for 1 over x, then we are going to take everything back as f of t equals, for 1 over x becomes t minus plus the square root of t squared minus 16t divided by 8t. So replacing t with x, we have f of x equals x minus plus and square root of t squared minus 16t divided by 8x. So this is x squared and this is 16x divided by 8x. So this is how to solve this problem. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.